It's a beautiful begin with the massive lamp on the horizon. But I had to face unexpected strong cold rain. Immediately after I saw the brightness of the sky. I feel it's like life. I feel myself like a baby bird who's searching drop of food on an unknown land. So welcome back everyone to another journey to Inguraidhoo Islands. So to start my new journey, I came back to Midu. So you're going final? Kinola. Third stop.
Yeah. First they will go to Kinola, then Fano, then Inguraidhoo. That is the third stop.
Third stop.
Okay?
How much? One person?
10 rupiah.
10 rupiah.
One column 10 rupiah. Other column 10 rupiah. 20 rupiah.
First you go Kinolas. Kinolas then
Fano. Then Inguraidhoo. I got the Honda.
That side. So starting from Madurai.
Madurai.
Starting Madurai. And coming back what time? No, in the evening. What time?
Evening again.
5 o'clock.
Evening underneath me 2:30 though. 2:30. They got a bag of them for it. 2:30.
2:30.
Move for a friendly 2:30.
Starting. So Iguraidhoo will be the third stop. I'm in Midun right now, and I have to catch the Atoll ferry to reach my next destination. The Atoll ferry is arrived. It's quite rainy. I didn't think that I had to face this bigger rain in the morning, but I have run for the ferry. Ferry is there. Luckily it was a little bit stuck. नहीं ऑफ करने को This is the Atoll ferry. So relax, so many empty seats are there. It will charge 10 rupiah and Maldivian 10 rupiah, so I have 20 with my camera move. Okay, sir. 2 men 20 rupiah. Now I'm on the Atoll ferry. The ferry is starting from Madurai. From Madurai it will come first Midu, and then it will go to Pinalais, and then go to final, and then third will be the Inguraidhoo. So Inguraidhoo will be my next destination, and it's really slow speed, and it's like 15 kilometers per hour, really slow journey. And the many people who travel in here, they may go for your families right now. It's really slow, really slow. We'll walk around and I can't see much people in here. What is that island? That island? It's a resort, right? So this is Meeduparu Resort. Now the boat is like me because I was expecting to have more people here, more local people, and I wanted to talk with them, but we have very less people. But it's okay, it's another different experience. Things happen unexpectedly. And I'm heading to Inguraidhoo. We have very less people out here. What is that?
Good.
Kinolite, Paeno, and Iguraidhoo. It's like set of mountains, tip of mountains. Look like. That's not So we arrived Kinolite. So it stopped for a few minutes to get some passengers. This is how the people are using the transportation to take here and there their goods, maybe from one island to another island. Now again I'm leaving from Kinolite. This is Kinolite. And this is the ferry that I came on. Still the people exchanging their goods. And some are traveling, some are getting down here. Today I'm in Inguraidhoo Island. The people in here are really talented in making of boats, especially from dinghy to luxurious boats and ships. And because the people are here generation of fishing and all the experience what they get related to the sea and making of boats, and they are really good in handcraft. From the starting point of this jetty, I can see the boat construction, so boat repairing sounds are there. And if you notice over there, this looks like a discarded, disposed old boat, and it's decayed timber boat. It's a fiberglass boat. I think it's out of service completely. Of repairing of boats and ships. This looks like a safari boat, that one, and this is like a big ferry boat. Hi, good morning. You talk English? You talk in English? No? No? What is this? Fish line? Fish line? I think it's a fish line. Even in the elderly life, still they're waiting and looking at the ocean and how the young people are working, because there are a lot of boat renovations are ongoing. Is the old boat or new boat? Is the old boat or new boat? Old one. Yeah. So you renovate it? Renovate it. And that is also old one or new one? Old one. Renovate it. Hello, brother. I'm on a boat, that safari boat. They're renovating the safari boat area. Okay. Yes. Okay, brother. Okay. Wait 1 minute. Okay. I got a call from one of my friends. He wants to help me in here, but let's see inside. This is a new one? This is the old one. Oh, the old one you are renovating?
Yeah, now they are fully renovated interior.
Interior, yeah.
All gone.
So these all are doing by you and your team?
Not all the humans, I have around 10 carpenters. All are from this side.
All are from this side. These all made by
This all made by them.
Inguraidhoo carpenters,
Yeah, all
right?
made by carpenters.
So we don't need white people
Yeah.
for this.
All work done by 100% Iguraidhoo.
See, unbelievable. The finishing is amazing, right?
Still very talented guy.
So you have trained this, you have learned from somewhere?
No, my father. His father is a very good guy.
Okay, so this
Father
is from
have
heritage,
done,
right?
heritage. His father have done, I don't know exactly about. Worked on several safaris.
So all about their life, the sea life and fishing. And
All about his father life from the beginning to now.
so from what age that you started to learn about carpentry and?
By 2000
you started, like almost 22 years old.
No, around 15 years.
15 years. What's your
No,
name?
Shaman.
Shana. And what about the electrician, that part also you are doing, right? The electrical, the stuff, wiring and stuff.
All rooms are done by us. We can go downstairs.
Downstairs, right? This was our guest room. Working hard, right?
Yeah.
It's a big job, right?
Yeah, all
Compartment, another room.
yeah, all are rooms.
All are rooms. How many rooms do we have in this room? 12 rooms in this apartment.
Inside only 9.
Okay. So when this was running for the final time on the sea, I mean safari. October.
Yeah.
So who is the owner of this? I mean,
I don't know.
this safari boat owner?
We can't meet that.
Lavian Kurendu.
Another Lavian.
One person, right? He's
Yeah,
the-
yeah.
Must be a rich man, right?
Yeah, must be rich man. Yeah, they have.
Upstairs. This is super luxury safari. We miss the cabin. How big a responsibility should be, right? Captain.
Yeah.
Yes. Great feeling, right? When you were driving, right? When you're driving a safari boat, a bigger one like this.
This I think two rooms I think. This I think.
Cool.
Just room, just captain and bed.
So they have the most luxury part. So these old guys are Maldivian, right? You don't hire anyone, no?
Yeah, all are from Maldives, all are from this side.
So you are so proud about.
Yeah.
Yes. Actually, usually we are thinking you have to hire foreigners, white people to get this finished, right? But you look, it's amazing. So how many people can go on this boat at once with the crew?
8.
I mean, all together with the
Eight
passengers.
couple I think.
8 couple. It means
Two room?
16.
Yeah.
And how many crew?
Only crew in 8. Then all the guest is 21.
21 and 8 crew members, 29, like 30.
Yeah.
And what about the weight of this, like tons? So how about the weight?
235
Tons. 235 tons. And the engine capacity, like how much?
engine capacity is 580
horsepower. Yes, you have to cut the seat, right? When you go,
This
right?
brand is Volvo.
Volvo.
Engine
It's a
brand.
good brand, right?
Yeah.
Amazing. I really don't know which way that I have to get to access the city area, or the center of the island. So we'll see. I'm gonna walk in there and won't find that. Time of unloading bit of fish. I can experience every time when I go to the other islands that in the main jetty unloading fish is really common for these local islands. You are the captain? You're captain? Raining, no? What's your name? Ibrahim. Captain? It's gonna be rain. It's a rainy day. It's gonna be rain again. So in the morning we got rain and now again. Hello. Look like everyone busy to get some fish, to buy some fish, and with the rain. So rainy season start, right? Hello. Raining, no?
English speaking.
No English. No English. That's the fundamental issue right now I have here because lack of language barrier. But it's okay. That is another good experience. I mean, communicating via the body language, and that is great. That's called the culture, the different cultures. Today I'm completely alone. I don't have any guide. I have to find my way. I think there's a road. I hope that it's access to the center of the island. I feel I'm lost. There are 4 roads. Hello. Are you talking English? No? Talking English? This is how to go to the center of the island, the middle. This road? Oh, this road. This road. Center, middle. I think it will be very tough to find the way. Okay. Thank you. I think this is a crossroad for that having houses. Hello. You speak in English? No?
Speaking.
Do you speak in English? Do you speak in English? No. Yeah, a lot of local houses here. I don't know, I'm just walking in between here. Silverton. I'm right center of a village houses area, and I don't know, is it okay to access in this area and stay in there? It's like other islands. We have old houses, coral reef. So in my Maldivian journey now, I'm here for quite a while, traveling. So when you stay on one place, you make friends. So this is my one of friend's house called Iguraidhoo. I'm trying to enter Iguraidhoo's house. This is my friend's place, but he's not here. I think he's working somewhere. It's a beautiful house, right? Relax, calm. This is Iguraidhoo's room. He may be surprised that I'm on his bed. This is his bed. And it's quite a luxury looking. See? Iguraidhoo's pillow. And it's a bunk bed. Who's sleeping here? Anyone sleeping here? Here? So Ikram got bunk bed. Yeah, the front, the center. Walk straight, turn the right. And you have some like restaurants or shops here? I'm walking through the crossroads of this village. There are a lot of houses. It's all coral bricks houses. Hello. Hello. Hi Sam. How are you?
Fine.
Do you speak in English?
Yes.
Come. Then come. Where I can find the school? Your school. Where is the school?
There.
Then you from?
There and
That is the school.
yes.
How old are you? How old are you?
8.
8. So how is your island? You like this island? Inguraidhoo?
Yes.
What is your grade in school?
1.
1. You're in 1. Good. Hi. Actually, I just came to see that island. This is your home?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello. Hi. Hi. How are you? This is breadfruit. Steam. This breadfruit, steamed breadfruit. You eat this? Eat. These are all raw experience actually. Nothing scripted. I feel it's over steam. So what do you make from this? You eat this, right? No. It's windy and the rain is quite stopped now. I really haven't got any plans for today because I want to get experience, I want to face what I'm gonna face. There is no restricted nothing. Just can look like a corner wall. It's a beautiful island, but really quiet. And sometimes I can't believe we're talking about the 21st century, the millennium, but the people living here really quite simple life and looking on the sea, waiting for the fish. Some of their family members working far in other islands. It's a really calm, quiet life, but still, as I said, they have their own things, but we can see only from out. But I can say it's a beautiful island. Really, it's beautiful. This is look like an old house with a workshop. Hello. Hi. Hello. Where is school? School? This is? Over there. Over there. Yes. The corner? There is green color. Yeah. The wall? Yes. 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 That is the school. Okay. Right. What's your name? Adam Hassan. Adam Hassan. Okay. Nice to meet you.
This is that's the gate.
Oh, that's the main gate.
Yes.
But this is the school wall.
Wall. Yes. Playground.
Hi.
Playground.
That is playground over there. Okay. Hi, bro.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks. That is a school over there. That is school playground. It's not a school day actually. I don't think that I can go inside the school. But maybe something. It's a good thing. I wanted to go to mosque and that road full of flood. I mean maybe with the rain, and now I found another way that I can find a mosque, and on the way I can see some houses there. Just peep. So quiet. Really quiet. Hello, brother. Hello. Hi. Mashang, we are at the mosque. Okay. Near? Okay. Straight. Thank you. I don't know the place exactly, but can I see? It's a place of making garu, yeah. It's so hot inside. It's really hot inside. This wood fire, really hot, right? It's not like a steam room, okay? Okay, thank you so much. And I didn't get any permission to come inside, but I'm here. Maybe somebody will hit me. Hello. Hi. I do so bad things. They're so cute kids. That's a small road. I really want to walk. This way. It's a home, right? It's a house.
House.
Okay.
House.
No.
House the column.
How? This is house, right? Not a restaurant, not a hotel. Hello.
House. The house the kandang house.
Okay. I don't know, she asked me to come and show the house. This is old house, right? House. Hello. Old house, right? Very old house. Coral?
God.
Stone.
Me create a house. Me a house man.
I really don't understand, but so this is also a new house? This is new house, right? I'm doing so bad things. This is new house. Good. Beautiful. That is good. Air condition. Good. Air condition. Nice. Thank you. I'm entering the others' houses without any permission. I do. Yes, I do. I know I'm wrong. Okay. Thank you so much. So you see you are...
Wait, I will give
So always in Maldivian local life you get good welcome. I just entered this place, but I don't know what's going on. Some people already know me. The man who's traveling. the local items.
You can take this one. One more.
This is sweet?
Yes, sweet.
Oh, thank you so much.
Ito
Sweet.
dinner.
Okay, I'll get one for him. Thank you so much.
Okay.
So you homemade, right?
Yeah, home.
homemade.
Yeah. This is for Eid.
This for you?
Yeah.
So you are making?
Making, yeah.
Is it okay if you give this someone else, I mean, before the Eid starts?
Yes.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
We can eat on the way.
Hello.
I'm trying to talk to many people as much as I can. Do you have another mosque here? Do you have another mosque here? Only that mosque? Two mosque or one mosque? So this is the main mosque of Inguraidhoo. Is this the mosque? Right? This is mosque? Mosque. Mosque, right? Mosque. Okay. Mosque. So calm, right? Hello. So I think some prayings are ongoing, so it's not nice that I'm coming here and disturbing them. So I'll just skip the area. Now I'm inside a mini store of Iguraidhoo. I think this is one of finest finest store in Iguraidhoo. Let's see what we can see in here, what we can buy from here.
Em đi xin này kìa chị nào.
Đập vào.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah. 40.
So how many stores you have in Inguraidhoo? How many stores like this kind of supermarket?
There are many.
Many. This is one now.
Yeah. Then we also have one.
Like numbers wise, how many you have? And how is Inguraidhoo life here?
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
You're happy here?
Yeah.
Really happy.
Mm.
And this is your store?
No.
No. You are just working here.
Yeah.
How much? So again, I lost my way. Need to find the coffee shop. Excuse me. There's a coffee shop. Yeah.
That one.
That the green.
Yeah.
Okay. That one with the bike. Okay.
No. Nearby. That one.
Oh, here. Oh. Thank you, sir.
This one.
Okay, thank you. So I kept my all batteries, the extra batteries on my camera to keep charging on this restaurant, the place where I drank coffee, and I go back to pick my battery. The time I was arriving here, I was completely running out of the batteries, and this place was helped me a lot. And you can see even my camera, the batteries are on charge, and my power bank, everything on charge. And this place really lovely, and her especially is so helpful, and she helped me a lot. And it's a beautiful place. I think one of the finest restaurants in Inguraidhoo Island. So I can see outside is quite really, I'm busy, she was busy, and it's a lovely place. He's the owner of this restaurant. Hey, what's your name?
Abdul Wahab.
Abdul Wahab. Abdul Wahab is the restaurant's owner, and she said he's really kind, good, cool boss. Yeah, he's really cool.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for everything. So I ordered some food for my friend who holding my camera sometime, and he is so starving. So I'm really thinking about again the people here, the Maldivian life. Sometimes it's really strange. I mean, such a simple life, having limited resources. Same thing again and again.
Been friends since 1995.
I think I was able to see many places in Inguraidhoo Island, and I'm so happy I completed another journey. So this is the end of Inguraidhoo journey. Actually, before I come here I didn't have any contact, but what I did when I reached here, I made some contacts. I knew only a couple of names only here, the people supposed to be live here, but I got but somehow I managed, and this is the time to leave Inguraidhoo, and Atoll ferry came. So see you somewhere. Goodbye for Inguraidhoo.
Years it would grow us apart, yeah. Moved away, but you're still in my heart, yeah. Call you up, how you been? Can we play and rewind? Yeah, those other guys who true, they don't care, no, like I do. I've been waiting on you.